friends, we took our little one to the Live Oak Canyon Farm. They have a calendar so you know what to expect without the month. This is our first time attending this farm, which is one of the largest pumpkin patch here in Southern California. The good thing is they have a map, and this map helped us a lot because we were so lost. There's so much to do. They have a variety of pumpkins, huge pumpkins, small pumpkins, different colors. I just love it. They even have different rides for the children to ride on. But I do know you have to purchase tickets for the rides. Like I said, this pumpkin patch is just so cool. One of the best I've been to.
You driving, sister?
This tractor is a cool picture prop, which my baby loved it. She didn't even want to get off. I was trying to get a picture of her, but she just did not like the hay. She just was not feeling it at all. Check out these pumpkins. They're pretty cool though. Look at them. All different types. Check out this huge pumpkin jumper. Yes, pumpkin jumper. We were so excited to enter the corn maze, which it was so dark though. I had to use my flashlight because we went at night, so I used my flashlight to see where I'm going. Really, really dark. I don't know why we were just, on the edge thinking something was going to jump out at us, maybe because it's around Halloween, so we didn't know what to expect.
Make sure you keep up.
The food area, which they have a lot of varieties of food, which is a good thing to me because I just love to eat and trying different foods. Different food, desserts, drinks, everything. It's really beautiful at night. Overall, I rate this park a 10 out of 10. It was just amazing to me and my family.